It's like the captain of the ship doctrine. It's like saying that the ship will sink with the captain. Di ba? Yun yung lagi nilang sinasabi. Bakit meron yung ganon? Yung captain of the ship doctrine. Ibig sabihin ng captain of the ship doctrine, pag ikaw yung namumuno, pag ikaw yung head, ano man ang mangyayari dun sa mga galamay mo, sa baba, may responsibilidad ka. Right? That's the captain of the ship doctrine. Tapos, mga kabatas natin, well, a good captain sinks with the ship. Pero mga kabatas natin, walang ganyan na mentalidad yung ating mga politiko kasi nga mag-a-abroad yung mga yan. Marami ng pera eh. Tatakasan lang nila yung ship nila pag palubog na. So yan ang ginagawa nila dito mga kabatas natin. 'Di ba? Yun yung ginagawa nila dito sa atin. What they're trying to do actually is trying to sink our ship. Not sink, loot our ship. They're trying to loot our ship until our ship becomes useless and they move to other countries.